Creating a pop-up form in Klaviyo helps you capture leads and grow your email list effectively. Here's how you can create a pop-up form. Access sign-up forms. Log into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to sign-up forms from the main dashboard. Create a new form. Click on the Create Sign-up Form button. Choose Pop-up as your form type. Design your pop-up. Select a pre-designed template or start with a blank one. Use the drag and drop editor to customize text, fields, images or logos. Adjust styles such as colors, fonts, and button designs to align with your brand. Set display rules. Define when and where the pop-up will appear. Trigger. On-page load, after a delay or on exit intent. Target audience. Show it to all visitors or specific segments. Frequency. Limit how often the form appears. Integrate and publish. Link the form to your desired email list. Click Publish to make it live.